react a metal with the oxygen. So what will happen? The metals react with oxygen to form oxides. क्या बनाते हैं? Oxides बनाते हैं, और ये oxides कहलाते हैं metal oxides. These metal oxides are means sodium and potassium are the metals which are readily react, means very fastly react with the oxygen to form metal oxides, and they are stored in a kerosene. That's why the sodium and potassium are kept inside the kerosene. Kerosene के अंदर इनको रखा जाता है because they are very reactive. Magnesium, iron and aluminium, these are the elements which react slowly, so as compared to potassium and sodium. So whenever they react, or whenever they are left in air, they are exposed to air and they will get tarnished. इनका कलर जो है वो फैट हो जाता है ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ अ ऑक्साइड लेयर ऑन द मैग्नीशियम एंड आयरन एंड एल्यूमिनियम. देयर कलर विल बी फैट, मीन्स देयर वर रिएक्शन ओवर देयर सरफेस with oxygen and they form a metal oxide. Whenever we will burn a magnesium ribbon, we have to rub it so that the layer formed on magnesium ribbon of magnesium oxide, that layer should be removed. So when that layer should be removed, after that only we will burn a magnesium ribbon. So by rubbing a magnesium ribbon, we will get a proper burning of the magnesium ribbon. The other metals like copper will not react easily. We have to heat it. After heating only the copper will react with oxygen. Without heating we cannot react copper with oxygen, because copper has a very less activity or very less reactivity with oxygen. So it will react very means it requires a lot of heating. तो कॉपर को रिएक्ट करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? बहुत सारा रिएक्टिविटी चाहिए, मीन्स हीटिंग चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट द आयरन ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ हीटिंग, और आयरन भी नॉर्मली रिएक्ट नहीं करता है. आयरन विल रिएक्ट आफ्टर मेनी डेज, मीन्स it will take months or years to react with oxygen, and it will form a iron oxide layer which is called as rust. So iron will form a rust. आपने everyone has seen the brown colored layer on the iron. If we will kept the iron in air and moisture, on the roof floor we will capture iron, तो एक brown color की layer आ जाती है iron पे. Have you seen? That brown colored layer is of iron oxide, and that iron oxide is responsible for a degradation of iron, जिसे बोलते हैं हम rusting of iron. Okay, so that is called as rusting of iron. Next page, we are moving to the next page now. Any question related to reaction of metal with the oxygen? Any question from anyone? Beta, if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Okay. Now the next reaction is reaction of action of a water on metals. Metals के ऊपर water का action. अगर मॉइस्चर या वाटर जो है वो रिएक्ट कराएं हम, तो आपको बता दूं मैं दैट दी नॉर्मली मेटल्स विल नॉट रिएक्ट विद वाटर. Only we have to make it means only few elements are very reactive. In that again the sodium and potassium is highly reactive in water. They are highly reactive, so they will react fastly in the cold water also. No need of the heated water. They can react with the cold water also. So they can react with cold water, and they are very reactive, so that's why they will react fastly. अच्छा, आप ये एक्टिविटी 4.2 दिख रहा है सबको, एवरीवन? वेरी गुड। इस एक्टिविटी में देखो सोडियम की रिएक्शन दे रखी है और आप देख रहे हो डायग्राम के अंदर, डायग्राम देखो, इसके अंदर दिख रहा है कि आग, द फायर इज देयर इन अ कंटेनर, इन अ बीकर, fire is there and the beaker contain water. In spite of water, it will catch fire. Who is responsible for this fire? This fire is because of sodium, and it's a very good for vision. It's very good experiment, but it's very dangerous because the sodium is highly reactive, इतना ज़्यादा reactive that if we will put this sodium by taking out from kerosene, kerosene में से निकालकर if we will put this sodium in a water, it will burn readily, it will blast and it will burn like a flame as you are able to see in a diagram. तो इस तरीके से जलने लग जाता है ये, and it's very dangerous, और ये it will show that sodium is highly reactive. Okay, so this activity is showing that sodium is highly reactive as compared to other metals. Okay, now the next one, the magnesium and iron. Magnesium reacts with boiling water to form magnesium oxide and hydrogen. Magnesium will react with water, but it requires boiling water. Without boiling of a water, the magnesium will not react. Similarly, for iron, we have to do a red hot iron we need. What do you mean by red hot iron? Anyone can tell me? What do you mean by red hot iron? Anyone can tell me? What is the meaning of red hot iron? Iron which we will heat, it becomes reddish in color after enormous heating. A lot of heating is done of iron so that it becomes reddish. अगर आपने anyone has seen that जो गडर, वो जो होते हैं लुहार जो रोड के साइड्स में बैठे रहते हैं, anyone remember?